Welcome back. I wanted to pop in for a quick video. We're here packing, getting ready for our next cruise, and I wanted to show you guys that I had to downgrade my toiletry bag. This one is the one I've been using for forever. It's huge, loved it, and I was able to take all my full-size toiletry stuff. But this thing, with everything in it, weighed like 5 pounds by itself. And of course I'm an overpacker, so I decided to change and downgrade to this one and see how it works. So in the front we have this little jewelry section, which I don't wear much. I also put my air tag in here. And then this is the one you can hang on the door. Here's the little hook. And I switched to travel size stuff. So here I have a little first aid kit, toothbrush, and then I put my body wash, lotion, oil in these size bottles. Deodorant, toothpaste, perfume. Down here, I have my little scissors. This is like a sewing kit that I got from a hotel somewhere, just in case. And then bobby pins always come in handy. Or safety pins, not bobby pins. And then a little armband for when I'm washing my face. And somebody in a cruise group told me to bring this. Never had to use it, but I keep it with me. So in this one, I have some eyelashes, sunscreen, room spray, wrinkle release. I also have the spray-on sunscreen. Then this is like my setting spray for my makeup brushes. Some jam and some unicorn snot. Magnetic eyeliner. And then I put my foundations and all that in here. And then eyeliner. And the last one, toothpicks. This is like some type of nail kit. Shaver, nail file, and then I got like 2 things of Dramamine just in case. And that's it. So we'll see how this works out. Oh, and here I also have this little thing to put my foundation on instead of my hand. So hopefully this definitely weighs less, and then we'll see how it works out if I need to switch to a bigger bag later. But I think this should be enough stuff. All right, and here is my little backpack carry-on. I have my camera case. I got this safe. Of course, my cup. And then I have this toiletry bag with like my contact solution, face wash and stuff. All that good stuff. My brush cleaner for my cup. Another toothbrush, because you can never have too many. And then my case with all my accessories for my pocket 3. And then on the other side I have miscellaneous stuff, but I'll show you guys once we're on board. We're also taking 2 bottles of wine this cruise. So I ordered this box on Amazon so that it won't break, because I'm gonna check this box as my second check bag because we're flying Southwest. And I got Cupcake Moscato, which is my favorite. So hopefully it won't break. Here's the top. And then once we get to Houston, I'm gonna take these out of the box and put them in my backpack. That's why my backpack wasn't full, so I can carry them on that way. So we are ready to go. We'll see you in a few days when we head to the airport. Thanks for watching.